It's at last here, the third era of the auto that promoted the four-entryway car outline, the Mercedes CLS. This 2019 model replaces the adaptation that initially showed up underway frame route in 2010. Contrasted and that auto, the new CLS looks much cleaner and less fatty. The take a gander at me raise bumper wrinkles have vanished, the nose and tail rectified, and the additional wide grille and lights sit low in the front belt. What remains is a high belt line and saucy rooftop. By and large, it may be a bit less unmistakable, however more developed. Despite the fact that the CLS has dependably been about style, this age is likewise imperative from a powertrain point of view. Under the smooth hood is the main utilization of Mercedes' new turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six. It will be the main motor accessible at dispatch, and it makes 362 pull and 369 pound-feet of torque. Tragically, Mercedes hasn't brought back a coherent naming plan in view of energy or removal, as the early-on six-chamber demonstrate is called CLS-450. The straight six additionally has a mixed starter and generator snared to a 48-volt electrical framework. The engine produces 21 strength and 184 pound-feet of torque, and, much the same as numerous other 48-volt gentle crossbreed frameworks, it's there to enhance fuel productivity. It can furnish help with quickening from a stop, and additionally take into consideration motor off-drifting now and again. This powertrain is coupled to a 9-speed programmed and can drive the CLS to a best speed of 130 miles per hour, however 0 to 60 time and mileage evaluations presently can't seem to be discharged. Both back-drive and all-wheel drive models will be accessible, and all renditions have multi-connect autonomous suspension at all corners with discretionary air suspension. The slightest amazing piece of the new CLS is the inside. It would seem that practically some other Mercedes, stacked with delicious calfskin, wide traverses of wood, and much metal. The instruments and infotainment screen fit in a 2001-esque dark stone monument. Surrounding lighting is all over the place, as well, including the dash, focus comfort, and even the air vents. The lighting plays a part in a remarkable element called invigorating comfort. There are 6 settings that change the lighting, temperature, sound design, and back rub seats to set an inclination. Those settings incorporate refresh/freshness, warm, vitality joy, comfort/well-being and training, the remainder of which has 3 sub-settings. Additionally, being an advanced Mercedes, the CLS has gobs of driver helps, from path keeping to versatile journey control that alters speed for corners. At last, out of appreciation for the arrival of this new CLS, Mercedes is putting forth a unique Edition 1 display, the matte dim auto in the above exhibition. It highlights AMG body changes and wheels, standard versatile LED lights, and a spiffy dark cowhide inside with dark common grain wood and copper emphasizes. Valuing has not been discharged for any of the CLS variations, however they will go marked down by fall 2018.